The IQ Fountainbridge student accommodation in Edinburgh stands tall, dripping with Scottish culture, heritage, and a melodious symphony of ultra-modern experiences. This housing itself is located on the friendly Dundee Street, with a range of ensuite rooms and studios on offer. Slip into a state of utter relaxation in the luxurious beds, spacious wardrobes, and an intimately designed study area that brings warmth to your personal space. Freshen up in the pristine bathrooms with efficient fixtures, and whipping up something delicious in the modern, modular kitchen complete with ovens, cabinets, and a chimney. Step out onto a window wall that leads you to an incredible view of the city. Make a statement of style in the boldly accented living area, cinema room, and gym, all providing unrivaled comfort and a statement of style. Students from the Edinburgh Napier University and Edinburgh College of Art can explore the city's vibrant life, starting at the Fountain Park bus stop or Haymarket train station. Satisfied their cravings for deliciousness by stopping off at First Coast Restaurant, where glistening beef and cabbage dumplings are served over steaming bowls of warm soup. Festivities bring a splash of life with their bright colors and high spirit. Starting from the sunny summer festival to the whirlwind winter festival and captivating tales of ancient legends, IQ Fountainbridge Edinburgh is the ideal place to find your identity by experiencing a picturesque journey of life. Book this vivacious student residence on amberstudent.com today.